Hello traders everywhere, Adam Hewison here, co-founder of MarketClub with your 1 p.m. market update for Thursday the 21st of July. Stocks are trading higher generally despite a nagging unemployment problems here in the U.S. This week marks the 15th week in a row that jobless claims have been over the 400,000 mark. This is not exactly great news for the White House. A second bailout for Greece seems almost finished. Is it a done deal? I'm not sure yet. Does that mean the first bailout didn't work? Does anyone in Europe really think that the second bailout is going to work? There's no way the Greeks can or will pay back these loans. Of that, I'm pretty certain. Our trade triangle technology scores a gain as we have been long equities based on this technology for quite some time. It proves once again that you don't have to read the news. You don't have to even listen to the news, and you don't have to catch the latest rumor to be a winner in the market. The great news is the market tells you what it wants to do. All you have to do is have a program like MarketClub's Trade Triangles. Okay, let's go to the markets right now and see how we can protect and grow your money in 2011. So here we are looking at the S&P 500. There are triangles, they're all positive, and it looks as though they're going to remain positive at least in the short term. So monthly, weekly, daily, very strong score. However, this market has resistance right here, right around the 1360 level. If that market continues there, and you also have your parabolic, which is coming in right around the 1347.25 today. So that's just a little bit below the market, above the market right now. So let's see how this holds, but generally speaking, the market is higher for the week. We closed at 1316 right around here last week. So it's had a nice bounce. Will it continue? We'll have to see. But let's clear everything off the screen and go to our next market. And let's go to our indicators right here. Go to the next market right here, and this is going to be silver. Silver's taking a little bit of a profit taking. However, the market continues to be in a positive trend. The weekly and the monthly are still positive. The daily short term, we had that signal. I'll put that in. It came in yesterday at 38.53. The market's currently trading at 39.30, so it's higher than our signal. But generally speaking, we still think this market is going up. We've got our parabolic coming in today at 38.14, so that's maybe a good place to place stops for shorter term traders. Longer term, we still see this market going higher in the end of the Q3 and the beginning of Q4. So let's go to our next market, which is gold. And you can do it one or two ways. You can, the way I just did is clicked on the little X that gets you back to this page. We still have a plus 90 there, and gold's currently trading at 92.04, just down a little bit for the week. We closed last week at 93.20, so it's just about $1 lower for the week. Generally speaking, we've seen a little rotation here. We have seen the market come from an overbought position, so we may see something like this and then another push up. Let's see how the things work out. But generally speaking, the market looks to be a little bit soft, a little bit profit taking, probably because of the strong equities. We'll have to see how that works out. But generally speaking, this market is in a bull trend, and we expect it to go higher. All of our triangles are positive. We have a plus 90, which means the hourly rate, the hourly average, is just down for this market at the moment. So let's see how it plays out. But certainly the 1580 level is key support in this market, as is where the parabolic comes in today at 1575. So let's go to our next market, and you can either click here, that gets you back to your portfolio, and you can just go to the next market right here, or you can go up to the triangles right here and just go forward and backwards in your portfolio. This is an interesting one. We are currently trading at 99.88. We've changed to the September contract, by the way. So we've got a weekly signal that just came in today at 99.87. It's 99.88, so it's just, well, just traded at 100. You just see it just traded as we speak. So generally speaking, we want to be long this market, and the market is coming from not an oversold condition, it's actually an overbought condition now. So you may see more choppiness. We'd love to see all of our indicators green. The monthly still is negative. However, we are thinking this is going to be a large energy field. We've talked about this before, a large energy field sort of going like this. And I think we just have to watch and see how this works out. But we are at the top of the Donchian trading channel. may see some profit taking, but the market's looking very, very good right now. And we did have a signal just today. There's the date, 7/21. That's today. We're doing this live, and it's approximately about a little five minutes after 1 o'clock right now on the East Coast. So let's clear everything off the screen and go to our next market. And some interesting moves in all these markets today, and it certainly bears watching. So our next market, we'll just use our little triangles here, and that's going to be the Reuters Jeffries CRB index. You've often heard me refer to this as the CRB index, which is widely known for many, many years. Now, we still think this is a very large energy field, which is, very large energy field in this market, coming all the way down here. But we really need to get it over this level right here. So I think if we see this market trading over, let's say, the 155 level, we would be off to the races on the upside. But generally speaking, we're still sort of trapped in this wide trading range. Hasn't really shown any movement one way or another. It's about unchanged for the week. So you've got pretty much a boring market, but it is preparing itself to do something, I think, pretty significant here. So let's clear the screen and go to our next market, and we'll use our little buttons here, and that's going to be the dollar index. The dollar index, of course, has had a big move today. We had a signal at 74.11. It's 74.16 right now. But we are at the bottom of the Donchian trading channel. We have mixed signals. The longer term is up, shorter term down, and we do trade with a longer term here. Also, this particular average, the moving average, the 200-day moving average, is above this market, indicating that maybe the trend is still down. We've gotten to a point here, like oversold, and this is obviously sometimes when this market, when it looks the worst, it can sometimes reverse, like we've seen it happen in previous times. Just like here was a reversal, here reversal, and we're back into a zone that could be very, very oversold. But let's see how this market goes. To really get some downward momentum, we'd really have to see this market take out the lows around here, which is about 72.50. So that's where the big support is, in my opinion, and that's what we really want to watch very, very carefully. But right now, we may see a little bounce tomorrow or even later today, based on the fact that we're oversold and we are at the lower end of this Donchian trading channel. So let me clear the screen off. We did our show last night. It was a lot of fun, and we had a lot of questions that came in, and really just super. And I really would like to invite you all to give us a call at 410-867-2100. Extension 129. It's a recorded message you hear, so you can ask about, tell us about your success about using MarketClub, how you use MarketClub. You can leave a message about the market. We can get it on the air. But it really was a fun show. You really want to watch it, and it should be on the blog any minute now, and you can watch the full show. It runs about an hour, so you can watch it in the evening if you have a chance. But we had a lot of fun doing it. We certainly had a lot of fun interacting with our members and people who would like to become members. And again, MarketClub is available for membership. It's a great service. The trade triangles I just explained to you have been winning quite successfully for quite some time. But you can be part of the show next week. Give us a call at 410-867-2100, extension 129, and call today, and you'll be automatically entered to win a 1-year membership to MarketClub. So you don't even have to pay for it. You can possibly win it if you're lucky. And we basically announce that on the show, who's the winner, and if you don't watch the show, if you miss the show, we can obviously email you. But as always, we rely on our market-proven trade triangle technology for catching the big moves. Hey, this is Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by today. We've got some interesting markets beginning to percolate. Let's pay close attention to these markets, and we'll see how they work out for us. But I'll see you tomorrow.